If you want to stop worrying about working for money, you need to build assets that generate income for you. And what exactly is an asset? Simply put, anything that puts money into your pocket. Your car, your designer clothes, those are not assets because they take money away from you. Those are liabilities. So we're focusing only on things that bring money in. Now, the first asset you can build is stocks. When you buy stocks, you're buying ownership in companies. You earn in two ways: through capital gains, which is when the share price goes up, and through dividends, which is when the company shares its profits. And the beautiful thing is you can start with as little as $5,000 or $10,000. But maybe you don't want to pick individual stocks yourself. That's where mutual funds come in. With mutual funds, a professional manager invests your money for you. It's perfect for beginners. You have options like equity funds, money market funds, and bond funds, depending on your goals. Another powerful asset is real estate. This is one of the oldest wealth-building tools out there. You earn from rental income, and your property value goes up over time. Even if you can't afford a property outright, you can start small with land banking, real estate crowdfunding, or even REITs, real estate investment trusts. Now here's something interesting: digital products. These are things like ebooks, online courses, or paid communities. You create them once, and then you can sell them over and over again. It's one of the fastest ways to build passive income. Then you have dividend-paying assets. Not all investments pay you regularly, but some do. Certain stocks and bonds pay you cash every quarter, every year, or every 6 months. Imagine building a portfolio that sends you alerts every month. That's how people gradually replace their salary. Let's talk about business systems. A business is not an asset unless it can run without you. If you still have to show up every day, you're self-employed. But when you build systems, processes, and a team, it becomes a true asset. And finally, one of the most underrated assets is your personal brand. Your name, your voice, your content. You can build it on YouTube, TikTok, X, or any platform. When you build attention and trust, you can convert that into income. You can do this through ads, sponsorships, products, and more, and it costs almost nothing to start. Now I have to be honest with you, none of this happens overnight. You're not going to wake up tomorrow and quit your job. But if you start building these assets today, in 3 to 5 years, your life can completely change. Most people spend years working for money. Very few spend time building assets, so you have to decide which side you want to be on. That's all we have for you in this video. Subscribe for more.